Welcome to MIC 300 Module 4 Study Session 1. We're talking about mycology. Introduction to mycology. Mycology is a branch of biology that deals with the study of fungi. This study will introduce you to characteristics and general features of fungi and its classification. Importantly, you will learn about the difference between yeast and molds. Learning outcome for study session 1. At the end of this module, you should be able to, number 1, discuss the characteristics and general features of fungi. Number 2, classify fungi taxonomically. Number 3, differentiate between yeast, molds, and dimorphic fungi. Characteristics and general features of fungi. Mycology is the study of fungi. It is derived from myco or mycete, which means fungus, and logy, which means study. The living world is divided into 5 kingdoms of planta, animalia, fungi, protista, and monera. It is important to recognize that fungi are not related to bacteria, monera. Fungi abound in the environment, in the soil, on vegetation, in the air, and some are also found on human body. Beneficial effects of fungi. Some beneficial effects of fungi include the following. Number 1, yeast is used as a food supplement. It also supplies vitamins. Number 2, many types of yeast have antibiotic properties. Antibiotic properties of fungi were first observed by Fleming. He noted suppression of bacteria by a fungus that was contaminating a culture plate in the laboratory. These heralded the discovery of antibiotics. Number 3, penicillin is also used to ripen cheese and add flavor to it. Number 4, fungi are used to alter texture, improve flavor of natural and processed foods. Number 5, Saccharomyces cerevisiae type of fungus is used as brewers and also a baker's yeast. Number 6, fungi are also used in the fermentation of industrial alcohol, fats, proteins, acid, etc. Basic structure of fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic, which differs from bacteria, which are prokaryotes. Number 1, fungi have an essentially rigid cell wall that determines their shape and protects them from osmotic and environmental stress. The cell wall contains chitin, that is rigidity and support, mannan, and other polysaccharides. Number 2, their cytoplasmic membrane contains ergosteroids. Number 2, their cytoplasmic membrane contains ergosteroids. Number 3, processes through nuclei with nuclear membrane and paired chromosome, whereas bacterial nucleus does not possess nuclear membrane. Number 4, divide asexually, sexually, or by both, while bacteria divide only asexually. Number 5, unicellular or multicellular, while bacteria are unicellular. Number 6, fungi are typically non-motile, while bacteria have both motile and non-motile species. The figure below shows a comparison of eukaryotic cell, plant, fungi, and animal with prokaryotic. Also, the diagram of a basic structure of fungi. Summary of study session 1. In this study session 1, you've learned that 1. Mycology is the study of fungi. It is derived from myco or mycete, which means fungus, and logy, which means study. The living world is divided into 5 kingdoms of planta, animalia, fungi, protista, and monaria. Number 2, fungi as classified by various means including cell morphology, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. Number 3, molds on the other hand are multicellular, filamentous, elongated colonies. The colonies consist of branching cylindrical tubules which are called hyphae. Number 4, yeast are single-celled unicellular, usually spherical to ellipsoid in shape. Most yeast reproduce by bonding. Some species produce buds that characteristically fail to detach and become elongated. Thank you. We've come to the end of this study session.